Does the DJI Mini 5 Pro have a problem already? And unfortunately, yes. And this affects one of my favorite features. So the DJI Mini 5 Pro has just been released, a fantastic drone, really good features, but it would be wrong if I didn't say there's been quite a bit of controversy in relation to this drone. Now, a few days ago, we saw a new DJI Fly and firmware update for the Mini 5 Pro. So once you go and update that, you have access to all the new features. It supports the DJI RC Pro 2. Everything is great. However, when I was testing this, I did notice an issue, and I just thought this is going to be resolved once we actually do get that public firmware and everything will be fine. Unfortunately, that's not the case. And I spoke to a couple of other video creators about this, and they're having that same issue. Now, I really do hope, and I'm sure this will be fixed pretty quick with firmware. But to any of you guys who are lucky enough to actually pick up the DJI Mini 5 Pro, we go and test this out and let me know in the comments down below, do you also get this issue as well? So what is it? Well, the DJI Mini 5 Pro got a fantastic new feature and an upgrade in relation to its active track. So we now have cycling mode, standard, and skiing, and it is overall really good. Especially if you like riding your bike, the cycling mode is great, much more responsive. The drone can get a lot closer to you. Overall, the active track modes, even vehicle tracking, got a big upgrade. However, there was somebody in that office when they were updating the active track system who forgot about the OG. Spotlight mode. We all love spotlight mode. This has been around for years now, and a lot of people, they won't use active track. They will only use spotlight mode because it is that good. So all you do is get your controller, drag a box around something, and then the drone will handle all the camera movements while you manually fly that drone. And this gets the most smoothest, fantastic cinematic footage that you can get out of your drone, and we all love this. However, it's broke. So in this location here, you can see this boat. So I'm going to drag a box around it. So spotlight mode is automatically activated. Now, when I go into Cine mode, which is what I like using the most in Spotlight, you can see the drone does not move at all. You can push left, you can push right, nothing will happen. Now, if you switch to normal mode, Spotlight works. So in Cine, it's just not working whatsoever. And same boat from a different angle. I've dragged the box around it. It identifies it as a boat. Spotlight mode, I'm in Cine. I'm pushing left, pushing right. Nothing is happening at all. And this is the same whether it's a person, a building, a boat like this, a vehicle. Spotlight mode in Cine, it's just not working. Now, if I zoom into the boat using a 2x zoom and switch to normal mode, you can see that the drone will automatically work just like expected. So I can push left here now and it will start to circle around this boat and I've got full control of it. Now, Cine mode for normal flying is working absolutely fine. As you can see here, I can put it into Cine and I can fly really nice and slow towards this boat. And why this is so frustrating is that not only is Spotlight mode super popular, is that when we're using Spotlight mode, you want your orbits and your drone to be really nice and smooth. You should be using Cine. We shouldn't really be using normal or sports. In that instance, it's going to be a lot faster and sometimes more erratic. And unfortunately, it's not just Spotlight mode where the issue is. It actually gets worse. But before we get into that, if you do like tech and drone content, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Lots more content coming on the Mini 5 Pro. There's more tech products coming out as well this year. It's just absolutely crazy with tech products. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Hit the like button if you enjoy any part of this video. It really does help me out. And don't forget, I've got my own drone website, dmprovisuals.com, how you can get the very most out of your drone with further tips and tricks. I have cheat sheets like in a physical format. These get shipped out to you anywhere in the world, and you can keep this with you in your drone bag, and when you're out flying you can refer to all these different settings. I've got them currently for the DJI Air 3S, the Mini 4 Pro, and I've also got my own cinematic drone moves. So go through all of the different drone moves that you can do on your drone. So when you're out flying, rather than just doing the general basic ones like top downs, forwards, you can actually look at these and go and refer to one of them. It shows you exactly what to do on the controller. So you're going to get a lot more out of your drone with one of these guidebooks. They're available in physical and digital format. So if you want to go check that out, I really appreciate it. Let's get back into that video. But I think I've figured out the issue here, and let's just see if any of you spot this as well before I actually tell you. So in this location, so there's like this hut here. So I'm going to activate Spotlight mode in normal. It's working fine. Now, if I switch to Cine mode and see if you can spot this, it's now working. But what's different? Did you notice on that screen what was different? In sports mode, it's also working absolutely fine. But if I now drag a box around this hut again, unfortunately on its first attempt, it thinks this hut is a car. So that's a bit of a fail. But you'll notice now, if I drag a box again, we'll go for a bigger box this time. I'm back in Cine mode and the drone is not moving at all. I'm pushing left, I'm pushing right. It's just not moving whatsoever. So what's different? Did you spot it? And it's in relation to the sensors. So if you've got bypass mode on, which you should have 90% of the time, Cine mode in Spotlight doesn't work whatsoever. If you turn your sensors off, you can see on the screen, it's working now. Spotlight mode's working. And it's same for brake as well. If we now switch the sensors to brake and we go back to Cine, I can control it. So this is where the issue lies. In Spotlight mode, if you're using your sensors, which you should be, this is Spotlight mode after all, you want full protection, and you're using Cine mode, it won't work. The only way to get Cine mode in Spotlight to work currently is to switch to either brake or just turn your sensors off altogether. This does need fixing. And just to note, I was flying the DJI Mini 5 Pro in 2 different locations, and one of them I was flying it with the DJI RC2 controller, and then I switched and I was using it with the RC Pro 2, and both face the exact same issues. So it's not like a controller issue, it's all relating to the firmware. Now it's good to say that from the testing I've done on the Mini 4 Pro, the DJI Air 3S and the Mini 5 Pro, currently this is only affecting the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. Now if we go back to the original location, something which I really noticed it was struggling to do, and it's not just the Mini 5 Pro this time, it was also affecting the DJI Air 3S as well, both on the most current firmware updates. And this is in relation to tracking boats. Now I've done this so many times, and active track Spotlight mode, it's never been a problem. Even going back to the Mini 4 Pro, not an issue whatsoever. However, today it was just a disaster. On the Mini 5 Pro, you can see in Spotlight mode, it was working okay, but active track, this new automatic movement seems to be the issue. So the drone automatically just flew to the back of this boat here, but it wouldn't move. So you can see now I want it offset to the left, and it didn't. It just stays in that position. This automatic movement where the drone will do all the flying for you automatically, thinking it knows best on what angles to get, it seems to be like messing up with the active track system. But even on the DJI Air 3S here, it was so erratic, and I've never had this issue before. It was actually dangerously erratic, how this auto mode seems to be just kicking in and messing up completely the active track, to a point where I just had to end it because it was just unusable. Now fortunately, Spotlight mode on the DJI Air 3S was working great, so I could still track this boat here, and I was able to use Spotlight mode from a distance. I was able to use the 1x and 3x zoom and get some really nice shots flying manually with the Spotlight mode. So overall, this will, I'm sure, be solved with the firmware updates, but videos like this will hopefully push that to get resolved faster. And it is frustrating because Spotlight mode, I know loads of you love using this. I use it all the time. Pretty much every time I'm flying the drone, I'm using Spotlight mode in Cine, and it just is not working currently. If you have any further issues with your drones, especially the Mini 5 Pro, let me know in the comments down below. And then if DJI see this, which I'm sure they will, they'll be able to see any other user issues that you might be facing on your Mini 5 Pro as well. So a quick video there. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really does help out. Thank you for watching the whole video. Really appreciate it. And subscribe because it doesn't stop. A lot more to come. Have a good day.